Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is going to be on Excel for data analytics. I'll show you simple tips and tricks to help you analyze data faster and smarter, even if you're just getting started. 1. Use keyboard shortcuts. Control plus arrow equals jump to the end of the rows or columns. Control plus shift plus arrow selects a whole block of data. If you're working with big data sets, don't scroll. Use Control plus arrow keys to jump around. Hold Shift 2 and you can select an entire block of data in seconds. 2. Use SUMIFs. The formula is as such. Equal SUMIFs, bracket, sum underscore range, comma, criteria underscore range 1, comma, criteria 1, and so on. Example, adds all values in a column only if the conditions match, like specific region or month. So use SUMIFs when you want to total only specific data. For example, adding sales only from a certain region and month. Just define what to add and the conditions. Excel does the rest. Tip number 3. Pivot tables. Insert pivot table. Drag fields to rows and values. No formula needed. Pivot tables are the fastest way to get a summary of your data. Just select your table, insert a pivot table, and drag the fields. You can see totals by month, product, or anything you want instantly. 4. Conditional formatting. It sees the patterns. It highlights high or low values and it uses colors to spot trends. Excel can automatically color your data based on your value. For example, green for high, red for low, or even highlight duplicates. It helps your eyes spot patterns without doing the math. So all you have to do is go to the home section and use conditional formatting. 5. Flash fill. Shortcut is Control plus capital E. It's used to split full names, format phone numbers, extract data from text. So flash fill is like Excel reading your mind. If you type pattern like the first name from a full name and press Ctrl plus E, and Excel will fill the rest. 6. Clean your data. Equals trim bracket A1 removes extra spaces. Equals clean bracket A1 fixes weird characters. Are you having messy data? Excel gives you simple tools to clean it up. Use formulas like trim to fix extra spaces, or use built-in tools like remove duplicates and text to columns. Clean data equals easier analysis. 7. Use XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is one of the best search tools in the Excel. You can search for product ID or name in one column and return to something related from another column. So the formula for this is equals XLOOKUP bracket lookup underscore value, comma lookup underscore array, comma return underscore array. So we can say it is used to find matching data and it returns values from another column. 8. Charts. Visualize your data. Insert and then choose bar, line or pie chart. Add titles and labels. Use colors to tell the story. So, charts turn boring tables into something you can understand at a glance. Just select your data, insert a chart, and boom, it tells a clear story. Don't forget to add labels. Bonus tip. Power Query, clean big data easily. So, Power Query is a tool built inside Excel that helps clean and combine large amounts of data. It's perfect when you have files from different places and need them tidy. And it works with just clicks. So go to data and then get transform. So even for this, no formulas needed. It just cleans or merges large files. And that's it. I hope these Excel tips make your data analysis smoother and smarter. Thank you.